Hello everyone, this is Pradeep from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions. In this video, I'm going to talk about how do we search on Google. This video is going to change your perception about what Google does and what it offers you free of cost on its Google search engine website. In this video, there are two parts. One is how do you get an effective result, and second part has tips and tricks of using Google as tool to find out various informations. So let me start talking about various search options. Let's assume that I want to search for my first and last name in Google. If I type my name Pradeep Pardeshi, then you will see that I have got 94,500 result. Of course, this is a huge number of result which I have got, and it is not possible for me to go through each and every result. But the problem with this kind of search is initially Google searches for both the words Pradeep and Pardeshi, but as we go down, it looks either for Pradeep or Pardeshi. It looks for individual words. Well, I am not interested in individual words. I need to search for the combination of both the words. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put quotes before and after the words. You will be surprised to see the search result has gone down to 1560. So this is the first step where you can put combination of words or more than one word in double inverted comma, and Google will search exactly the words which are written within these quotes. Now let's talk about another criteria. In this, let's say I want to search for a PowerPoint presentation on Excel functions. In the next step, let's say I want to search for a PowerPoint presentation on Excel functions. So I'll put again Excel functions in quotes, and now I want to search for PPT. So let's say if I do a search this way, then you will see that not all the results that I have are PPT. These are the only results which have PPT written before them are the links which can help you to download PowerPoint presentation, but the links that does not have PPT written before them do not have PowerPoint presentation attached to those links. In such cases, what I can do is add a keyword, that's file type :PPT. Now here you need to remember that along with file type, we have to type colon and PPT without putting any space. Of course, there has to be a space before file type, but not after that. Now if I do search result, you will see that all the results that I've got are PPT links. If I choose any one and try to download, it will help me to download PowerPoint presentation. Now let me tell you one more thing. Just in case if I do not need a PowerPoint presentation and I need Excel file, I can replace PPT with XLS, and now I have Excel files available to download. Now let's assume that I am on this website and I want to search for VLOOKUP function. Now this website unfortunately does not have any search bar. I want to search for VLOOKUP function on this website. How can I use Google to search on this website? I'll simply type the keyword that needs to be searched, that's VLOOKUP, and here I'll write a keyword site colon and the name of the website, and when I press enter, now you will see that all the search results are coming from that website. I don't even need a search bar on a website to search or go through the contents of that website. Now in the next example, let's talk about a simple search. I want to search for Excel on Google. You will see that most of these results that I have got somewhere talks about Microsoft Excel. Now I know that Excel is a product of Microsoft, but I also want to find out that other than Microsoft Excel, Excel Word is known for what all other products. So this is called as negative search. Now here I want to search for Excel, but I want to remove the result that talks about Microsoft. In order to do this kind of search, I'll type the word Excel and then give a space. I'll put a hyphen and type Microsoft. Here, when I do that search, it removes almost all the search results Now see, these are the images of Microsoft Excel, and apart from that, if you look at the result, all the result that talks about Microsoft have been removed, and I have got Excel apart from Microsoft Excel product. So this is negative search. Now here I have talked about certain keywords, and there are plenty of such keywords which can be used to search effectively on Google. Just in case if you don't remember these keywords, you can then go to advanced search settings. Whenever you search anything on Google, you will see a gear like icon like this. You can click on that and then go to advanced search. Now people, whatever searches that I have shown till now can be done using this advanced search. We have the options like all these words. Now this option talks about a word which can be searched across the internet. Then the next block that we have says this exact word or phrase. Remember, we have searched for Excel functions within quotes. Now this block talks about Excel function within quotes. You can also see the example on the right hand side, what kind of keyword does it create. Then it talks about any of these words, which generally is the OR operator. Then we have none of these words. That means the words that should be removed from the search result. The next one is numbers ranging from, let's say if I have a range from 10 kg to 100 kg, or 100 pound to 500 pounds, or maybe year 2010 to 2013, those ranges can be given in these boxes. Now the next one is about language. Now this actually talks about a specific language. If you want to do a search in any particular language, you can go ahead and do that. Then we have region, last updated. These are different options that you can use to learn about the Google search. People, till now whatever we have seen talks about how to get different result from Google. Now let's look at the second part of Google search. Here we are going to take a look at how can we use Google as a tool to search specific information which are generally available on Google. In order to do that, now let's say if I type a simple expression, mathematical expression, that is 1 plus 1, when I press enter, you will see a Google calculator. Here you can do almost all different kinds of calculations instantly on Google website. Now people, let me tell you that the features which I'm going to talk about now, starting with this Google calculator, will not work if your browser is not updated. So you may download the browser. It could be Google Chrome, the latest version, or Mozilla Firefox, or Internet Explorer, whichever is the latest version. You can install it and try accessing these features. So now I'm going ahead with another feature. I'm going to type 1 miles in kilometer. When I type that, I get Google Converter. So here I have the conversion rate of 1 mile to kilometer. Along with this, I also have different categories like volume, speed, area, fuel consumption. So let me go to area. Now here, after selecting a category, you can then choose the unit. So I want to see how much is 1 acre equivalent to square meter. So it's 4046 square meter is equivalent to 1 acre land. Further to that, I'm going to talk about how do we see the current time in London. So I type time in London. So when I do that, it tells me that it's 3:02 p.m. in the afternoon, and here in India it is 8:32 p.m. Similarly, if I want to check the time for Washington, so now here it's 10 o'clock in the morning in Washington DC, USA. So like this, you can type the name of any city across the globe and you can see the current time of that particular city. Let's take another example. I want to see the conversion rate of US dollars to INR. For that, I'll type 1 USD in INR. When you do that, you will see 1 US dollar will cost you 61.68 Indian rupees. It also shows you the graph how the dollar value has progressed since year 2011 to 2015. Apart from these general information, if I want to see what's the weather like in Mumbai, I just need to type weather in Mumbai, and here it gives me the details about the weather in Mumbai. Let's say I want to see the weather in New Delhi, and you can see that it is now giving me the highest and lowest temperature in Delhi. So the current temperature is 16 degrees Celsius, and I can switch it to Fahrenheit, and it is now 60 degree Fahrenheit. Let's say I want to find out some other piece of information. I'll just type radius of Earth and it gives me it is 6,371 kilometers. Another information that I want to find out is CEO of Microsoft. It's Satya Nadella. Now that I want to find out is distance from Moon. You can see that it's 3,84,400 kilometers. And on the right hand side, you can see the detailed information about the query that you have entered just now. Let's now talk about festivals. I want to find out when is Diwali happening this year. So I type Deepavali and say it is happening on November 11th, and that day happens to be Wednesday. Let me talk about Holi, that's 6th of March. Let me see when is Good Friday, and it is on 3rd April. Let me see Bakri Eid, when is it coming? It's on 22nd September and September 23rd. So this is how we can search effectively on Google. I've taken it to this level, and I would expect all of you to explore Google search and learn fantastic new techniques to find out the relevant information that you're looking for. So people, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. Once again, this is Pradeep from Tech and Training Corporate Solutions. Take care. Bye-bye.